YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another beautiful video. So in today's video, I'm going to be flipping this $80 account to a very nice amount though. It's going to be $800, so it's like growing it 1000%, but it's better. The goal is actually better now. So this is actually AUD/USD. For those of you that are new to this channel, do well to subscribe so that whenever I release a new video and also another account management service, you will be notified. So this is actually a very nice setup, and it's a very good one. As you guys can see, we have a trend line base right there. So we have the first touch, we have the second touch, and then we have the third touch. So you all know what will happen, but of course you have to select your setups very well. You have to be selective. You have to know what is the valid zone to trade from. Okay, that's why not all trend lines work, not all support and resistance work, and the rest of them. You have to make sure you are trading the right thing. All right, so I'm going to enter with 0.8 lot size, 0.08 lot size, sorry. The reason is because it's $80. Okay, so I'm actually using the lot size that suits that $80. Okay, remember, you can be stacking at the same time. Watch your risk management, very important. You should do that, very important. So wait for this trade to play out, and you see this is actually the 30 minutes time frame, which will take a while, but of course it is what it is. The market actually reached my TP, but it got rejected by that strong bullish momentum, so I will have to close because I have no time to the setup is already completed. It's already over now, so there is no need for me to stress myself regarding this setup. There is no need at all. Anytime a setup is being utilized, we move on to a new setup. That's how you should trade. Very important. Don't try to take every setup from the same pair. All right, don't do that. So always have a plan, very important. So this NZD/USD, so NZD/USD has a very low volatility, one, and two, the profits that you do get from NZD/USD is very low. Okay, so when you have even when the market has gone far, very far, you will still have very small profit, and vice versa. When you are in a drawdown, you'll be having peace of mind as well. So that's why I decided to trade NZD, and not just that, the setup is there for me as well. So as you guys can see, this is a very perfect setup. Now people are going to start buying from this trade, but the reason is because there is a sell momentum before the trend, before that trend that I draw there, that trend line, that falling wedge. Falling wedge always goes up. The market will always go up, but for this case I'm selling. The reason is because there was a bearish momentum before the falling wedge. Okay, before the falling wedge occurred, there was a bearish momentum. But that's not all. We also have a zone attached as well. So always make sure you do your top down analysis first before you decide what the lower time frame will give you, just the way we saw here. So currently we're in drawdown, but we did not blow the account, so that was nice. Okay, so actually we had a very nice trade. As you guys can see, $200, even when the market went the market went far, and we still got that little profit. You see, this is what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. Once you have that type of drawdown, or you have that type of profit, you just lose hope. So I'm not going to trade NZD/USD again. I'm not going to trade any ZUSD again. Not necessarily again like for life. I mean again for this particular account. Flipping. I'm not going to do that again. But we have a solid setup on gold. Okay, we have a solid setup on gold. Let me draw this stuff well for you guys to see. So we have a pattern right here, right? We have a pattern, a W pattern, or an M pattern, you might call it, but it's a W, okay, because they are the same but inverse. Okay, now as you guys can see, we have a zone here, right? We have a zone here, and guess what? We are trying to buy. That's what we are doing. So we are trying to buy. These setups, I post these setups on my VIP, and for those of you that have joined my free group, you're gonna see that I journal my trades. So most of these trades I also take them on VIP and also on the free group. Yeah, on the VIP, mostly on VIP, because those are the members that have actually gave me a sort of vibe when it comes to trading, because these are personal, right? It's actually personal, like you are trading with me on a personal level. So that's how I see VIP. All right, so for the free group, we just post some trades and at least make money with me without actually being on VIP. But of course, being in VIP is actually trading with me personally. So right now we have a good trade, and as you guys can see, this is how the trade played out very, very nicely. All right, so this is actually a good start. We actually ended this trade 3 trades, and we are already hit our target, right? I guess we have hit our target. No, not yet. Remember I said it's $800, but of course, regardless, I'm still going to wait for this $800. I'm not gonna leave at all. I'm still gonna wait for this $800 to hit. I need this target to be reached. All right, okay, so right now our target has been reached. Okay, this trade is playing with me. This trade wants to play with me, which is not something I need at this point. I want to be serious. But it's actually a nice trade. I really love the trade. Look at how it played out. Very, very nicely. It played out very, very well. So as you guys can see, we did a lot today, but it is what it is. Let's go. We move on. We move forward. Target has been reached. Yeah, so guys, hope you like this video. Hope you learned a lot and something new. For those of you that are new to this channel, do it to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Stay safe. Happy trading. And if you want to reach out to me, use the link on my video description. As you guys can see, I'm pointing out zones to look out for those of you that are trading with me on a personal level. So anyways, I've finally posted this video and you can watch on YouTube now. So do it to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next video. Like I said, if you want to reach out to me and want to join the personal level, use the link on my video description. Lion FS Gang. Peace. Damn.